And here we have a project that I kind of got stuck with. The $500 Jeep. 90 something Cherokee Classic something or other. You know, 40 million miles. We live in in the Rust Belt, so yeah, we got that going on. So the project here, the idea is to make something useful out of this. Yeah, both the springs broken. We have replacement springs. Shocks, I think they're gonna raise it a couple inches. So well, we'll see if we can make something usable out of this. I decided to take this $500 Jeep, and it's at least part of the way, as much as she will do it. This will be a project that I'm going to teach a granddaughter how to weld and stuff like that. So we'll see how it goes, and enjoy the first day. Her name is Sue. Remember that. Go for it.
Are you good?
Yep. Just keep on going. So we haven't gotten too far today, but took most of the time just cleaning out rusty crap. And of course, training her. This is thin stuff. You know, these old Jeeps, it's all thin. It's all thin metal. I don't know how in the heck they stayed together, but it's all thin, cheap sheet metal. So this is where we're going to start, right here. And this will be side 2 when we get to it. And next, we'll be replacing rusted out frame crap. You can see I've started cutting out pieces here. I'm not sure whether these were standard on all the Jeeps or whether this was a trailer hitch or something, but I'm going to clean this all up, and this will go underneath the rotten stuff, and then I'll have bolts all the way through to kind of, I'll have bolts all the way through to kind of sandwich it, hold it together. But this is where we got that sheet metal. Looks like an old Ford hood maybe. And this, it's an old basketball goal. But this is pretty good stuff. It's at least 16 gauge. So I'm going to use that for strengthening and replacing the rusted out frame in the back. So we'll see how that goes.